Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I want to show you how I do my simple eyebrows. I'm also a learner, so I'm just going to do something simple that can help us both learn together. Yeah. So here we are. Make sure it is as sharp as possible. This sharp. Okay, let's start. You can see I've already drawn, yeah, like that. So we're going to do both sides, then we fill in. Like that, then we're going to fill in the brows. This is how we fill it. It doesn't matter where you start from. You just do like that. On both sides. I'm gonna do that on both sides. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. So we are going to use a concealer. Make sure it is brighter. To make the brows pop out, you make sure it is brighter than your skin color, or rather brighter than your... So like I'm saying, make sure your concealer is brighter than your foundation, the foundation that you're going to use, so that the brows can pop out, you know. Yeah. So here, this is the concealer. We can either use this brush, the brush that is in the with the concealer, or this other one. We buy them, but then anyway, you can use anything that is available for you. So for now, I'm going to use this one. Mm. So guys, as you can see, they're already popping. So actually the secret is that concealer. So this is the main reason why I was saying your foundation should be a little bit darker than the concealer. So I want to apply the foundation so you can see the difference and how it's gonna come out. So guys, as you can see, my eyebrows are already popping. That's the very simplest way I do it. So all I need is this. I only need this one, number 18. I'm using number 18. That's what I love using. And I also need my concealer. And actually this is the only secret here that makes them popping. And my foundation to complete the makeup. I'm not so good in it, but I've just completed the simple makeup. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial. I just do it simple like